Welcome to my channel, step by step guide to optimizing your Facebook profile for 2025. Updating your Facebook profile to align with Facebook's latest algorithm ensures better visibility, engagement, and a professional online presence. Here's a detailed breakdown of how you can optimize your Facebook profile according to the latest standards. 1. Optimize your profile picture and cover photo. 2. Craft a captivating bio. 3. Set a unique username. Update your About section by add a call to action button. Post engaging content. Enable professional mode optional. Also leverage Facebook stories. Customize your featured section 10. Keep contact and links updated and join relevant Facebook groups. Stay active and engaged. Ensure privacy settings are updated. 14. Monitor your insights and analytics. 15. Regularly audit your profile. Please subscribe to the video and keep the bell button on. Maybe the next video will be very useful for you. Thank you.